Meaning of dendrologist.
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 Dendrologist. A dendrologist is a scientist who specializes in the study of trees and other woody plants, including their morphology, anatomy, ecology, and taxonomy. They also investigate the growth patterns of trees, the genetic variations among different populations, and the roles that trees play in various ecosystems. Dendrologists may work in fields such as forestry, horticulture, landscaping, or environmental science, and they often contribute to the development of sustainable land use practices and conservation efforts. Overall, dendrologists play a crucial role in understanding and managing the world's forest resources.